Okay, continental location. So continental location is probably the hardest one to understand, but the most important point you need to remember for continental location is the idea that water heats and cools more slowly than land. Okay, so what that means is if you were on the coast, let's say San Francisco or just anywhere on the coast, you're going to have a more stable temperature, And that's because the ocean doesn't heat up or cool off very quickly. Okay, and the wind that's blowing off the ocean, it just picks up that temperature and it helps to stabilize those cities that are on the coast. Okay, if you're in the interior of the continent, okay, land can heat up and cool off very quickly. So land can be varied. So if you're in the center of the continent, if you're in the center, you'll have a varied climate. All right, and if you're in the ocean, or if you're near the ocean, excuse me, you will have a stable climate. So ocean, stable climate. Okay, and this idea that oceans heat up and cool off very quickly, it also affects wind patterns, which if you've seen the other video on monsoons, that explains how monsoons happen. Okay, so that is the C continental location.